Welcome to a new era of financial agility. Introducing Networked Purchase-to-Pay. In today's connected business world, companies need to be increasingly agile to stay competitive. CFOs are under pressure to deliver top-line growth, innovation, and the ability to rapidly respond to change. Yet too many find it hard to deliver financial agility because of manual paper-based processes, and their disparate financial systems are consuming resources. Plus, the lack of real-time visibility across the financial supply chain means missed opportunities for business growth. Today, across the Basware Commerce Network, finance leaders are solving these challenges by connecting their companies and finance operations more closely with customers and business partners. We call these forward-thinking finance leaders networked CFOs, and they are welcoming a new era in financial agility that's driving their businesses forward. They're transforming accounts payable into profit centers, adding millions to their bottom line. With real-time clarity across financial operations, they're controlling costs and protecting corporate reputation, while driving collaboration and integration across departments and external partners. Uniting with their procurement colleagues, unprecedented levels of spend are being brought under control, delivering millions in incremental savings. By taking steps to greater financial agility, these networked CFOs are now reaping the benefits. AP automation is enabling the removal of paper, complexity, and cost to deliver improved cash management. Actionable analytics are empowering people across the purchase-to-pay process to manage KPIs and make better financial decisions wherever work takes them. User-friendly e-procurement solutions are achieving increased spend under control through greater user adoption. And e-invoicing is not only streamlining operations, but enabling access to a network of global trading partners. Looking forward, networked CFOs from the most financially agile companies are using innovative new cloud-based financing services to better manage cash and release the transformative effects of greater working capital. To learn more about how Basware can help you unlock new value streams and drive business growth, download our guide to Networked Purchase-to-Pay today. This is your invitation to join the new era of financial agility and let commerce flow.